The LeBron James Family Foundation is more than 20 years old now, and from the beginning, its mission has been to help kids and their families with fundamental resources and wraparound support and programming they need in school and beyond.
Yeah, but one of the things that was missing was health care, and that is, at least until they made a promise come true and they shared it with everyone. Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins has that story.
21-year-old Mariah Riley is the first and sometimes familiar face to welcome patients at the I Promise HealthQuarters. Her journey began as a third grader in the LeBron James Family Foundation's inaugural year. Today, she's a patient navigator, guiding others to health and hope.
So I want to be a lab technician. So basically, I really just want to help my community.
A community that often felt ignored in healthcare.
From the moment that folks walk in, we want them to feel at home. We want them to feel safe. We want them to feel seen. We want them to feel accepted.
They may not have been to the doctor for 5, 10, 15 years, and they come here, we listen to them, and we're truly taking their health serious and seeing them walk out the door, scheduling that next appointment.
This facility, close to the heart of Akron on Market Street, is the answer to the needs of the 1,600 foundation families, but it's open to anyone, regardless of their ability to pay.
We have kind of the cradle to grave kind of mentality where we will see a 1-2-month-old baby, and then we'll have someone that's 100 years old come in.
Since it opened in July, they've had about 80 patients a day. Shell Brown avoided doctors because of bad experiences. Here, she's finally getting access to her medication at the pharmacy and that new pair of glasses she's needed.
They accept you no matter what person you are, or no matter what background you come from or generation.
18-year-old Jaden Taylor's life dramatically changed when he found the mental health counseling he needed.
They treat you with so much love, like you're part of the family. You know, they don't ask you the typical question like, are you okay? Like, of course I'm not okay, like I wouldn't be here, you know? But they make sure you is actually, are you okay? Actually know the words, are you okay, than just saying them. You know, there's a difference.
The unique model brought together competitors, Coleman Health Services for mental health, and Access Point for medical care under one roof.
We're in the business of breaking down barriers, and in order to do that, it's digging deep.
Optometry, pharmacy, even a state-of-the-art dental clinic available.
Cleanings, extractions, x-rays, exams, crowns, dentures, teeth whitening, flippers.
But that's not all. There's still much more to come and space to fill.
Tapping into the partners in the community and bringing them under our trusted roof here to provide those resources that exist. So whether you're a new parent and you need some parenting classes or diapers, it's going to be a one-stop shop for the entire community.
Now, you don't have to have an affiliation with the LeBron James Family Foundation to visit. They do see quite a few of international patients as well. They have an interpreter service called Marty, just like FaceTime with an interpreter, and it's been helpful with Hispanic, Nepalese, Bhutanese, and others, and they use it up to 20 times a day. Walk-ins are welcome, which is helpful because they're on the bus line and they're right across the street from House 330, which used to be the old Tangier restaurant. So it's right in the heart of Akron.
You talk about 80 people a day.
Yeah.
This is filling a need that, I mean, how many people have
Absolutely.
even recognized how necessary it was?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think that's what's so critical about it. And many of the people who are going there are people who haven't been to the doctor, you know, in up to 10 or 15 years.
Wow.
Goodness.
So this is so important, and it's serving, like you said, such a need that has been there. And it's something that when people are walking out and they're making a follow-up appointment, how critical that is as well.
Yeah. And good people are going to the doctor. Some people just don't. So good for them. Yes.
Monica, thank you.
Thanks, Mom.